guys, it's me, Erica, and yep, I know I always start all these videos with it's been a while, but it really has been a while. It's been like probably 4 months since I uploaded a video, and there's a good reason behind it, as always. I started a full-time job and entered the world of adulthood, so for that reason I've not been able to really film, because by the time I get home it's really dark, and sometimes when I get home I'm like exhausted from work and kind of just want to relax and sometimes watch anime. And on the weekends when I do stuff, I usually try to go out because, you know, work-life balance. But because of that, I haven't been able to be filming that many videos, and to be honest, like, I think it's just I've been kind of in a rut in a way. But I really wanted to come on and do this video because I don't know, I miss making videos and kind of interacting with the community of like anime figure collectors and just merch collectors in general. So I'm going to be showing the figures that I've gotten as well as merch that I've gotten from the last time I've done a video to this time, and I'm actually excluding manga just because I kind of lost track of what kind of manga that I did buy like in that time period, just because, to be frankly honest, my amount of manga has kind of exponentially grown because my job is actually really near a Barnes Nobles. So after work, after the end of the work week, I always go there and like buy at least one volume. So I kind of lost track of what I got. So first I'm gonna be starting with like merch and then move on to the figures that I got. So more recently, I actually went to a craft fair that was happening in San Jose, where there were a bunch of vendors, not only anime but like K-pop, and just kind of other small businesses like soaps and food. But mostly I wanted to go to get some of the merch that was there. So of course I'm going to be sharing some of them. So the first one I got were actually this Chao garden pin, because I really liked, like, when I was playing Sonic Adventures 2 when I was really young on the GameCube. I really liked doing the Chao garden stuff and raising all my Chao, so I got the kind of evil Chao garden. And of course I'm going to be leaving the links to the people that I am kind of mentioning down below. And so that was really cute. The next thing I got from this San Jose craft fair was actually this kind of phone grip of, it's really nostalgic, is Yoru, who is Ikito's Chara from Shugo Chara, and I'm going to put him on my phone. I already have a phone grip, but I'm planning to kind of move or get a new phone case, so I wanted to put this one. And then this is GirthyBobaStraw. But it was really cute. She had Sue, Miki, and Ran. And also a lot of other nostalgic animes, but I just really wanted this one. Other than that, I also got this really cute, I know it's not anime, but it's K-pop, but this really cute and heartwarming like BTS Print. Sadly, I could not go to the Permission to Dance concert in LA, even though I do live in California. I live in the Bay, so it's like a 6-hour drive, and the only day I could have gone was like November 27, and I said that is crazy because, you know, that's Thanksgiving weekend. It is really hard, so I just decided to get this print like I was at the concert, but not really. The next piece of merch I just got in today from their Black Friday sale was this, I think it's like AgiJagi, and they make like a ton of cute plushies, and they had a sale on this Tamaki plushie where he's like dressed in a takoyaki like inspired outfit, like going out, and I thought he was really cute. Like, Tamaki is not my favorite My Hero character my favorite is Aizawa if you've been watching for a while, but I just couldn't because he was just so cute and I really liked his outfit. And he came with 2 outfits, so his hero outfits, which I'm not going to be showing because it was actually pretty hard to kind of put the clothes on, and this one. So they were really cute. The next piece of merch that I got, which isn't artist related, but I did go buy this during Black Friday at one of the stores that I went to that was selling anime merch, and I really wanted this plushie because I've been getting into Animal Crossing again because, of course, of the update. I ended up getting this plushie that I really wanted, a Flick, and he looks so cute. They had the other ones. I was thinking of getting CJ to go with Flick, but I was like, I'm going to kind of pace myself and just get Flick. He is really cute. And then he'll just go in my pile of plushies. So the next piece of merch that I got that I was really excited to get is this art book of Wotakoi. I got it at Kotobukiya for like $33 and I was really excited to get it. I don't usually collect art books unless it's like of a series that I really like, just because, like, I'm gonna be quite honest with you, I don't look at art books even though I buy it. Like, I'll look at it once and maybe like kind of forget about it, but I just really wanted the Wotakoi art book because it is one of my favorite animes, and the drawings are pretty cute, so I got that one. The other art book that I got was this Doremi Artbook for the 20th anniversary, and I purely got this because of nostalgia, because I love Doremi, and the illustrations in it are really cute to look at, and I think some of them, from what I remember when I did look at it, some of them are like aged up, so you can see what they ended up doing for careers after the anime, so I thought that was really cool. So now we'll be moving on to the figures. So I'm just going to be showing, for some of the figures, like a kind of like B-roll of them, or like a picture of the official one, because some of these figures I already like took out and like put up, but some of the other ones I have on the floor because I just haven't opened them yet, or I just haven't had time to put them in my detolf or kind of like rearrange them. So the first figure I'm going to be talking about is a figure that I kind of didn't expect to get. Just one day I was like browsing through Ami's pre-owned section, and then she came up and I was like, I never knew that they had other figures, and even if they did have other figures, this anime is pretty old, and it's kind of like what I was saying with this. It's actually related to, it is a Doremi figure. So I have all the Doremi Nendoroids, but I didn't have a lot of the older figures because, of course, when the anime was coming out, I was like in elementary school, did not have money to buy figures. So I found this Onpu like devil figure, and she looked really cute, so I decided to grab her. And she has been kind of like out of print because, of course, the anime, this figure came out in like I think 2006, but I'm really happy to have her. The next figure I got was this Dabi Nendoroid to go with my Hero shelf. So most of my Hero shelf has like one scale, usually from Artifacts J, and then one Nendoroid. And I really wanted Dabi to complete like kind of the villains so far in my detop for My Hero, and Dabi is my favorite villain from My Hero Academia. So I'm really happy to have him. I think his aftermarket price is way more expensive. So then the other figure I got to go along with my Haikyuu collection is Osamu from Haikyuu. And I got him to go, of course, with his brother Atsumu. And I really love it. I've been collecting all the Haikyuu Nendoroids with the exception of some, just because I didn't end up getting it, but now I regret it. Like, I think I have all of them except Liev. I don't remember the other character that's on the Nekoma team that Liev was on, but I can imagine he has like orange hair. And and I'm completely blanking out on the name of the person or the partner of Bokuto. I'm completely blanking out the name, and I feel so bad because he was a really cool character. But those are the only 3 Haikyuu Nendoroids I don't have, and with the exception of Kita, who just came out, but I haven't pre-ordered because there's too many things. But yeah, I got Osamu. So going on to kind of still Nendoroids. So the other Nendoroid that I got, along with some of these Nendoroids that I unboxed, just haven't boxed yet, was Katarina Claes from My Next Life as a Villainess. I really love this anime. I was very thoroughly surprised with this anime. Like, I loved the first season, and then second season was really good too. And then I've been collecting the manga, and I don't think I'm gonna get the scale of Katarina just because her face kind of looks weird, so I am happy with this. I hope they make the other kind of characters so you can have her own harem in Nendoroid form. So yeah, I really like this. So the next few figures I have are scales. So for these figures, I actually didn't buy them online. I actually went to a local anime hobby store that's in my area and decided to pick them up because they have fairly decent prices, and I like picking it up there if the price isn't too bad, just because shipping wise it's a lot more cost effective for me. So one of the figures that I found there that I was really excited to find, because I've kind of been putting it back and forth. She's been on my wish list for the longest time, but I don't know why, I just never decided to pick her up. And it is Dark Magician Girl from Yu-Gi-Oh! So here she is. I'll go, of course, a closer look. And she comes really with a really cool kind of base, and her figure is really nice. And I watched Yu-Gi-Oh! When I was younger. I was probably more of a Pokemon person, but I just really like the character designs a lot more in Yu-Gi-Oh! Like especially like Dark Magician Girl, Dark Magician, and like the main characters. So here is Dark Magician Girl. So I've been kind of putting her off picking her up because I know that she got re-released, and I was kind of debating on that too, but I was like, ugh. But then when I saw her at the store, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get it. So I got her, and she's really cute. So the next figure that I got was similarly to Yu-Gi-Oh! It is Marik from Yu-Gi-Oh! I was kind of going back and forth about this one. He was not at all on my wish list, but like I kind of go to this anime store frequently, and I just kept seeing it, and I'm like, I really want him because, as I mentioned, I really like the character designs in a lot of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Characters, and to be honest, I like the character designs of most of the male characters in Yu-Gi-Oh! So I've been always like kind of looking at Yugi's scale, Marik's scale, and I am blanking out of the name of the guy with the white hair. I think his name is Bokura. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I've been looking at those kind of scales, and of course Atom's scale. But of course I saw Marik, and I was like, well, he's here. Kinda gotta get him, so I did. Here is Marik's. He has an unbelievably long neck because I kind of dropped him. So here is Marik's figure, and he comes with his cape that I didn't put on right now because he kind of fell. But I will when I do the kind of overview. So yeah, I decided to get him, and he was the last one at the anime store, so I kind of am glad that I ended up picking him. So the last figure that I'm going to be showing here today is something I also didn't plan to pick up. To be honest, I think this figure is more impulse, but I do really like it kind of because I was like, well, I do like this character, and I mean, this anime is part of my childhood. So I got the Kakashi Hatake scale from Megahouse in his Anbu Black Ops outfit, and I think this is a re-release as well, and I just really like it. I like the base, I like Kakashi, so I ended up getting it. So here, I probably already showed the kind of look overview, but here he is. He is really cool. He comes with two faceplates, but of course I put the one where he has a Sharingan on. So I will be putting him somewhere in my room, but I really liked it and I'm glad I picked it up, even though I know it was probably from impulse. So with that is all that I got in those kind of months, with the exception of manga. That as I mentioned, I don't know. I mean, I have a record of the series that I have, but I can't really remember what I've shown and what I've not shown, so that's for another time. And I'm probably going to be doing a manga haul anyways, for the Right Stuff Christmas/Black Friday sale, so that's going to be fun. And by the end of the year, hopefully I'll make a new kind of room tour. But with that, let me know what you've kind of picked up anytime, or if you're gonna get anything for Christmas that you want, or if you went to the BTS concert, please let me know, and I would be happy to answer comments, anything in the the comments box below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!